मी सुनेत्रा अजित पवार गांभीर्यपूर्वक प्रतिज्ञा करते की कायद्याद्वारे स्थापित झाले आहे अशा भारताच्या संविधानाबद्दल मी खरी श्रद्धा व निष्ठा बाळगीन. मी भारताची सार्वभौमता व एकात्मता उन्नत राखीन.
The big story, power continues to remain in the Pawar family in Maharashtra, with the Deputy Chief Minister now Sunetra Pawar, the widow of the late Ajit Pawar, who passed away tragically in an air crash just 3 days ago in Baramati. Sunetra Pawar was sworn in today as Maharashtra's first woman Deputy Chief Minister. It was an act that showed that the NCP was moving decisively to ensure that they retain the slice of the power cake in Maharashtra at a time when there was talk of a grand merger and a family reunion with the patriarch Sharad Pawar. But while the NCP may have staved off that for now, it is very clear increasingly that the real power in Maharashtra now lies with the BJP and Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis in particular. Fadnavis today assumed the key portfolios of finance and planning in addition to the home ministry. So what really does Sunetra Pawar's elevation mean for the political turbulence in India's commercial hub? That's going to be our focus. First, take a look at our top story.
A new Pawar at the pinnacle of power.
मी सुनेत्रा अजित पवार.
Sunetra Pawar has taken oath as Maharashtra's first woman Deputy Chief Minister, filling the post left vacant after her husband Ajit Pawar's death. The oath-taking ceremony was a low-key affair, limited entirely to administrative formalities. Affectionately known as Vahini, Sunetra is now the newest Pawar to take over as a decisive force in state politics. Party MLAs have unanimously chosen her as NCP's legislature party leader. She will also take charge of all portfolios previously held by Ajit Pawar, except for finance and planning, which will move to Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. Sunetra Pawar now needs to get elected to the state legislature as an MLA or MLC within the next 6 months. It is likely that she will contest from Ajit Pawar's now vacant seat of Baramati. Her Rajya Sabha seat is now likely to go to her elder son Parth Pawar. Amid the political vacuum created after the tragic Baramati crash, leaders of the Ajit Pawar faction and other Mahayuti allies have readily accepted Sunetra's leadership as she steps into the forefront.
राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी ने निर्णय लिया कि अजीत दादा तो चले गए हैं, फिर अजीत दादा की याद रखने के लिए उनकी पत्नी को ही मतलब डिप्टी सीएम बनाना आवश्यक है, पार्टी का अध्यक्ष बनाना आवश्यक है.
हम तो चाहते हैं कि महिला मुख्यमंत्री भी बननी चाहिए. सारी बड़े बड़ी जगह के ऊपर जो है महिला हमको दिखनी चाहिए. और ये एक बात है कि अभी वो जो हादसा हुआ है उसके पार्श्वभूमि पर जो है ये सब प्रोग्राम हुआ, करना पड़ा, क्योंकि 3 दिन के बाद कितना दिन हम रुकते थे.
पहले कभी महिला उप मुख्यमंत्री पद नहीं आया किसी के, मतलब महाराष्ट्र में पहली महिला डीसीएम होने के लिए और हिस्ट्री बनाने के लिए हम सबको ऐसा लग रहा है कि एक प्राउड मोमेंट है, क्योंकि हमने देखा है वही लगातार सोशल वर्क में महिलाओं के लिए, युवकों के लिए बहुत काम किया करती थी. अब उसका जो बेनिफिट है पूरे महाराष्ट्र को देखने मिला.
But all is not well in the other faction of the family. When questioned over Sunetra's takeover, NCP SP MP Supriya Sule refused to answer.
सगळा महाराष्ट्र बघतोय की पवार साहेब कशा पद्धतीने आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी काम करू. एकच शब्द कुठेतरी विश्वासात घेतलं नाही का ते रामकृष्ण हरी.
Prime Minister Modi has welcomed Sunetra's tenure as Deputy Chief Minister, expressing confidence that she will fulfill the vision of late Ajit Dada. In the political corridors of Maharashtra, the name Pawar has long been synonymous with power. This time, the spotlight is not on a seasoned politician from the Pawar Parivar, but a face that has spent decades observing the machinery of governance from behind the scenes. With Vidya, Bureau Report, India Today.